We're gonna hit that right now? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
What are we doing here, baby?
We're opening the TV, since we are opening the TV.
So we're opening the TV.
We're opening the TV. This TV right here. That's a lot of years. It's not a lot of porn in this movie too.
A lot of porn.
No, I mean, corn.
There's a TV. You didn't see the TV? For reasons unknown, we're gonna open it.
We're gonna smash a TV. We're just gonna smash a TV.
For what reasons?
There is no reason. I mean, is there a reason why I'm wearing the sweater?
Maybe.
John, what are we doing here?
Let me see that.
What over here is where I have our.
Give me that.
Bobby, what are we doing here?
I don't know. You guys brought me here. You know, I'm aiming here, but I'm probably gonna hit here.
All right.
So, bitch. I give you life.
And you give me death.
What's that?
Is this part of the TV?
Oh.